Hi everyone and welcome to a new episode. I think it's the fourth. I don't know. And also this is the first time I'm officially filming a video inside the studio, so that's nice. And I say that because I have a little bit of a roof on top of me. It's not completely done. I'll show you. As you can see, there's a little bit of the studio that already has roof, and we still have some unfinished roof, and we're done working for the day. We're going to do that probably tomorrow. If you happen to follow me on the other channel, you know I'm extremely tired constantly. Let's not talk about it. We're having fun in our first time filming in this studio. I can complain later. This is my favorite sport. The only sport, actually. It's complaining. Today we're not complaining because we have alpha roof on top of our heads, and that's just exciting. Let me show you. Also, we're going to have a little nook here to film nice stuff. I don't know what. We have also been applying this wood here to put on the wood. It's like a puzzle. It fits right in, and then we're using this machine to put on some nails to get the wood in place. Those beams over there, we nailed the wood to those beams, and that's how we attach the wood to the structure. We have to make some adjustments, cut some pieces of wood, because it just doesn't, sometimes it just doesn't fit. So we had some problems because the last piece didn't fit. The idea was to cut it and then put it on and then just use this machine to get a little bit of the top. What happened was the machine was smoking, literally. We tried another saw, the saw didn't work, it just got all crooked. In the end we end up removing it and cutting it with a different machine and putting it back on. Also, the place where I put the screen in this morning, it doesn't have any wood. What's happening is we're missing some wood. We'll have to buy some more. We don't have enough, so that's something we'll have to finish a different day. So this is not easy to show you because of the sun, but regarding the outside wood, this is the little bit that's missing. Let me show you. Okay, it's just a little wall in the back. And also we've been working a little bit on the roof. I'll show you a little bit of that. I told you this was going to be a porch. I didn't really have a clear idea on what it would look like. We have some nice shadow and some protection from rain. This is how the roof looks like inside. You can see here, you know, they just get under each other. It's completely finished. And the outside is almost ready too. We need to secure it better with some screws. I guess that's how we call it, but for now, oh, we have a little kitten. Can you see the little kitten? What are you doing? Is investigating. We can see it because it's very dark. Okay, so this is what the roof looks like. This was a very big challenge because it needs to be nailed down on top, and so someone needs to get on top of this, and this is very, very slippery. Turns out my father went there and nailed the roof to the shed. Oh, that was very hard. He got very, very tired because not only it is super slippery, also you get to cut yourself permanently because of this material. Don't believe we filmed it, but we used this rope to attach it around my father's waist, and then I was out here holding him down and he was up there attached to a rope. Hi, what you want, babe? Such a cutie. See, now I'm wearing appropriate building attire, not flip-flops, I guess. This is not... well, let's not call it appropriate, but it's better than flip-flops. I hope you're enjoying following this project. Anyway, that's what we've done for today. Thanks for watching until the end. That's cool of you. See you next time.